and let's continue working on geometric sequences. Here we have three terms of a geometric sequence: m minus 4, m minus 1, and m plus 5. Now, we want to figure out what m is, so this is in fact a geometric sequence. And then once we have found m, we want to find a value of these three terms. Great, so how do we get started? Remember that r, the common ratio of any geometric sequence, is always going to be the same. So the first term times r will give us the second term, times r again will give us the third term. R being, of course, the common ratio. Fantastic. So how does that help us? Well, r is going to be equal to the second term divided by the first term, right? So that's the value of the common ratio, but it's also going to be equal to the third term divided by the second term. So we can make this an equation. Don't forget about the r. And how can we solve for m? We can cross multiply. So m minus 1 times m minus 1. See how it works like a cross? M minus 1 times m minus 1 is equal to m minus 4 times m plus 5. Great. Now we can FOIL each one of them. M times m is m squared. M times negative 1 is negative m. Negative 1 times m, negative m. Negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. And that's equal to, now, m times m is m squared again. M times 5 is 5m. Negative 4 times m is negative 4m. And finally, negative 4 times 5 is negative 20. Fantastic. Now, I can subtract m squared from both sides, and these will disappear. Then I can just combine all like terms. Negative m minus m is negative 2m. The plus 1 comes down. 5m minus 4m is just m. And I have negative 20. Now I can subtract an m from both sides of the equation. Negative 2m minus m is just negative 3m. I can also subtract a negative 1. So those disappear. Negative 20 minus 1, negative 21. Fantastic. Now, I can just divide both sides by negative 3. Those go away. So m is going to be equal to negative 21 divided by negative 3, which is positive 7. Great. So I determined the value of m, but now I also want to see the value of the first three terms. First term is m minus 5. Sorry, not 5. M minus 4. Well, I can't even read today. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So that's the first term. Second term, m minus 1. 7 minus 1 is 6. Then m plus 5, 7 plus 5 is 12. So those are the first three terms. That's it.